Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to do a follow-up to All Ads Work and show you about the compound interest and how it works. Do a little follow-up to the video I did a couple of weeks ago and show you my progress like I was telling you I was going to do, okay? So stick around. We'll be right back in just a moment. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com, and thanks for coming to the channel today. If this is your first time here, what we do here is we do how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, entrepreneurship videos, and basic value videos to give you value in anything to do with making money, help you make money online. Alright, also once in a while we'll even throw in a motivation video to keep you up on your game as well, okay? Alright, so also, if this is your first time here and you like these videos and you want to see more, reach down there and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of each time we post new videos, okay? Alright, thanks. Well, with that said, let's get into today's video here. It's going to be a quick one, won't be real long. Just want to do a follow-up to All Ads Work and show you my progress that I've made versus the video I did about 2 weeks or so ago on it. So give you a chance to see that and tell you a little bit about the market and so on and so forth. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right in on this. And now this is All Ads Work right here, the website, alladswork.com. And just a quick little overview of it here. Membership's gone up still. It goes up quite a bit every day, it seems. It's up to 87,000 now. When I started in this back on October the 29th, it was only at about 70,000. And you see their Alexa ring continues to come down. And when I started October 29th, it was at, I think it was at what, like 51,000 rating on Alexa, and it's come down quite a bit. So whenever it comes down, that's the better. That means greater traffic to the website. What this is an advertising platform, and let me say right at the outset here before we get into this that this is with any kind of an investment, because you're putting your money in here and you're purchasing advertisement and you're getting paid back compound interest on your money that you invest too. So like any investment, there's risk involved. Okay, so you just want to make sure that you use only the money that you can afford to lose if you should invest in something like this or any kind of an investment, okay? So with that out of the way, let's continue on. So All Ads Work, like I said, is an advertisement platform. If you have a business like a website like I do, or you're advertising your products, or if you're in affiliate marketing like me and that kind of thing, it's a mode of advertising and bringing targeted traffic to your offers and your websites and so on and so forth, okay? Many different types of ads here that you can use on their site. You get advertising credits, and you can purchase advertising for really cheap too. Alright, so one of the things I want to point out too here real quick, like, is you can get, when you buy ad packs, you get they have $20, $40, and $60. Now they had 10, but because of the volatility of the Bitcoin market, they've done away with the $10 ones and they kept the 20, 40, 60 for right now. But they say that that'll be coming back as the Bitcoin market goes back up, which I'll show you that here in just a moment. But you get up to 120% revenue share on every ad pack that you buy. So if you buy a $20 ad pack, you get back 24 at the end of when it matures, okay? And if it's a $40, you get back $48, and if it's $60 ad pack that you purchase, you get back 72 at maturity, okay? Alright, so they use Bitcoin. Now, don't make the mistake of thinking here that we're investing in Bitcoin, because we're not. Bitcoin is only used as the medium of transfer, to transfer your money from your bank account or whatever credit card, whatever you're using, or Bitcoin wallet you put your money into. It's just a mode of transfer to get it from your bank over to the All Ads Work platform, okay? So And and right now, to be honest with you, I don't think I'd want to invest in Bitcoin because the price is dropping out of the bottom on Bitcoin, which I'll show you here right now. This is smartbit.com and australia.au, and you can see that Bitcoin right now is one Bitcoin is equal to $3,558.36 of U.S. dollars, and you can see it down here what the U.S. dollar is at. And it as of, you see a little graph here, and as of the highest point here, as of September the 4th, for one Bitcoin it was 7,324. Now it's been actually higher than that. Back around January this year, I looked at a site and it was up to around $15,000 for one Bitcoin. So as you can see, it's come down here in the last few months. It's the price has dropped out of the bottom of Bitcoin, and right now it's at 3,000. Now it's come up a couple of $100 or so. About 3 or 4 days ago, I looked at it and it was $3,414, I believe, for one Bitcoin. So it's come back up $100 and some dollars, but it's very volatile. Bitcoin is. It's not a good investment right now, but that's okay because we're using just Bitcoin as a mode to get the money over from your bank account to the All Ads Work platform, and then it's put back into U.S. dollars. See, so there's no volatility. The only volatility is the amount of time that you would take to transfer your money over to the thing. So hopefully that's pretty quick. Usually about 15 minutes in time once your money's on there in your Bitcoin, from your Bitcoin wallet over to the platform. Now, I don't use a personal Bitcoin wallet like on my computer or anything like that. I use an exchange platform called Uphold. They're based in the UK, and I like them really well. They've done really good for me so far, and I have no complaints about them at all. So that's, if you're interested, that's a good one. You can look it up on the internet. And then the popular one, of course, here in the United States is Coinbase. Most people use Coinbase. So, alrighty, so that's the thing about Bitcoin. We're just using Bitcoin to get the money over to here to the All Ads Work platform. And so just a little something on Bitcoin there. And I'm going to go ahead and log into my account here now. And GVN, got to put in a CAPTCHA, they have good security there. Getting back to the Bitcoin transfer though, Bitcoin transfer is a little bit safer. I like using Bitcoin to transfer money through the internet because it's safer, because it's encrypted in a private key. And it's a much safer than sending direct dollars or money through the internet. It's a much safer process. Alright, so this is the what's called the login ad, and you see this every time you log into All Ads Work. And then you just watch that, and then you can just click continue to All Ads Work, and it loads up in my back office here. This is my member overview office here, and you can see right now I'm at 142 when I've got a balance of $41. Now this has gone up. Yesterday it was at about 138, and now today it's up to 142. So it's making somewhere between 1 and 2% per day, which is compounding interest. I mean, it's compounds back to you on your ad packs. Now I have, like it shows here, 10 active. I bought a total of 12, and I have 10 active right now. And if I come over here to the earning history and click on that and get rid of all the inactives and just show the active ones here, and you see that I've got several of the $60 ones working, and you can see the earnings that they're making. See, so it won't mature until it reaches $72 on those. On the $20 it'll be $24, and on so on and so forth. And the $10 ones, which you can't purchase the $10 anymore at this time because of the volatility of the Bitcoin market. They decided to do away with the $10 one at this time, but they'll bring it back when the Bitcoin market comes back up, which it will eventually. They'll bring back the $10 ad packs. All right, and then so you see that they're making their money right now too. So this is a daily compounding interest. It's 1 to 2% per day. Compound interest is the best that you can have. It's what you want. If you can find anywhere to get in compound interest, particularly on a daily basis, that would be what you want. Now, no bank account is going to pay you that kind of interest. Bank accounts or mutual funds or CDs, a CD may pay 6% per year, or they call it per annum is their technology or labeling or wording for that. And same with a regular bank savings account, you might get 5%, 4% per year. So or they'll pay it out quarterly, maybe 1% per quarter every 3 months. So not near as good as this. This one here is compounding daily interest, anywhere between 1 and 2%, and sometimes a little more depending on the market. Okay, so as you can see there, we're doing pretty good so far. Now, what I'm going to do with my particular one, is everybody does it a little bit different, is I'm going to let this build up to $100 here. Now, my initial investment in here was $420 that I've invested in these ad packs here. Okay, and you see down here you get website credits for each ad pack and stuff, and banner credits and text credits that you buy that you can use to advertise your business with. And you can also purchase paid-to-click ads, solo ads, banner ads with your credits, and so on and so forth. Your websites, you use your credits on that too, and so on and so forth on that. So, but I'm going to let this my account balance build up. I mean, I could purchase a $40 ad pack right now, but what I'm going to do is let it build up to about $100, and then I'm going to purchase another $60 ad pack, and then take $40 out in recovering my original seed money. So once I get my original $420 back, then I'll be playing with all house money, because I'll just be reinvesting it and compounding that thing up and up and up. I figure in about a year's time from now, that should be up around probably between $10,000 and $15,000, and I'll be making somewhere around $100 to $150 per day on money. So right now I'm making around $3 to $4 per day, just with what you see right here right now. So it's going pretty good. I got no complaints about it at all. Just a matter of time, just waiting time for the ad packs to mature, and if you want to purchase more, you can purchase more or whatnot with your balance. And this is also a referral program. You can get referrals. I don't have any referrals just yet, but you can also, this is an affiliate program. You can have people sign up under you, which, by the way, while we're talking about that, I'll have the link down there in the description below. If you reach down there and click on it, and you can sign up with me on my team, okay? And join my team, and I'll have some referrals here. And you can make affiliate, which is affiliate commissions, and you get paid a certain amount of actually the platform pays you a certain amount of percentage on whatever your referrals buy in terms of ad packs, right? So as they invest, the platform pays you a certain percentage. I think it's anywhere up to 5%. I think if I go click on, like, let's just say for instance I wanted to purchase a $40 ad pack, and they show you, I thought, yeah, right here, your referral commission structure is level 1, you get 8% of the ad packs that your referrals or affiliates buy. Then level 2, 2, level 3 is 1, level 4 is 1, level 5 is 1. So you can go 5 levels deep on your referral commission structure. Okay? So, yep, that pretty much is what I wanted to show you guys today. Just give you a little follow-up and show you that the platform is still paying good money. It's making good compound interest daily. This is daily. Now, some other investments out there may pay compound interest monthly or quarterly or something like that, but not too many of them that I've seen. I like the daily compound interest myself. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys today. Just a quick video here to let you see what's going on. Like I said, I'll keep doing follow-ups from time to time and allow you to see my progress as it goes through. So reach down there if you would, click the link and join up All Ads Work on my team. And also don't forget, down there you can see my #1 business. You can get over $3,600 of worth of bonuses to check my business out. Okay? Alrighty guys, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Come back here in a couple days on the next video, and we'll see you again, okay? Alright, bye-bye now. Have a great day.